guys, what's up? It's Monday morning, making my first stops, taking Granty and Kamora to school. I'm running a little bit late because it's 7:54, but yeah, this is gonna be my first stop, and then after that, I'm going straight to the banks. Gotta make like 3 different bank stops, and then because I need to deposit the rent money for this month.
The rent money for the month?
Yeah, you repeating what I say, Pop?
Yeah.
And then I'll be headed out to Opalaka, even though it looks crazy, super black today, like it's gonna pour down, raining. And it was pouring last night, and it rained a little bit yesterday. But we shall see. Okay, talk to you in a minute. Hey guys, what's up? Today was a little bit slower because today was a little bit slower because this happened. I got T-boned today, and I was in the little hybrid that we have because I'm always driving back and forth, so to save on gas, we have this little hybrid, and it's a Ford C-Max. Somebody T-boned me right here, and they were in a Benz truck, and I done, own that same Benz truck they hit me with. I've owned other Benzes. Benzes are real heavy, so that made every single airbag deploy, the window shattered, cracked. I mean, it was a mess, but this is Vlogmas, so it T-boned me into a wall, but this side of the car looks pretty okay. But I think the battery, this is a battery operated vehicle, I think the battery is right here, and it may have just burst. I think that's all this. So they're coming to pick this up now, and this is gonna basically be a total loss. So, I mean, I had plans on getting another car in a minute anyway, so I'm sure y'all gonna see a video of me probably getting another car. I had been thinking I was gonna get another Benz, but I don't know, we'll see. And there's my rental that they already gave me. Anyway, Vlogmas continues, or not Vlogmas, Vlogtober. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, what's up? This is where we are today. We did some of the dig. Let me get a little bit closer. See me, I'm in a rental. Since the whole car fiasco yesterday with them totaling out the car. But this is the preliminary dig. They're gonna come out and test to see if this is strong enough. It's some coral. If you look, it is a little bit of coral, but the majority of this is sand. So they really need to come out and test. And I don't even think that's coral. That's some kind of rock. But it might be, maybe it might be strong enough. I don't know. But if you see all the way down, they already did the dig all the way around for preliminary, but we're gonna have to get somebody out here to test tomorrow to make sure that it's strong enough to put the house on. If not, then we're gonna have to dump fill out here on the lot, compact it, and then do the dig and do the footers into that, because that'll definitely be strong enough. But okay, it's not much to see. Today is October the 9th, and this is where we are. So I don't know if they've already come out here and tested, but I don't think so. I think either they're gonna do it a little bit later today or tomorrow morning. Hey, they putting a brand new pipe into the ground, look like here. Well, I know what they're doing. I'm the one who ordered the damn inspection. But y'all see all that coral rock? And they laying that brand new, fresh piping. Now I'm giving y'all an update. This is like where the 6 homes that I'm building. Like, this has been the holdup on the 6 houses. Like, y'all just don't know what kind of headache me putting in this brand new pipe. Like, this set our project back like 6 months. This has been a straight up nightmare, but now it's finally going in. It's turned into a beautiful thing. We had to open up the ground in front of these people's house and that house up the way, but I had to delete that video because my phone wouldn't let me like record something else, and so we had to halt on those 2 houses. I mean, those 2 houses over there are pretty much done. You see the roof, everything's done. I just haven't done the landscaping yet because I was just waiting to get these goddamn piping in, because if these houses aren't connected to water and sewer, I can't sell them anyway. And so this has just been like a huge nightmare of trying to get this thing done with water and sewer. But then I finally got my pre-construction meeting after a long back and forth. The person who originally owned the property, they were saying like at the last minute that we never went to Durham and had they pulled some type of permit, and if we could get in contact with them, and they now lived in Puerto Rico, so we had to contact them in Puerto Rico and have them transfer the permit over to Lemon City, which is my company. But it all worked out finally, and we're finally doing this and getting it done. So you all are seeing right here a brand new water pipe being installed. That's what's going on right here, because you see this is gonna have a brand new street. Like, I have to create a street right here. I have to turn this one way into a 2-way, and then this is the front of the house 3 and 4. I'm gonna have a street here, and then house 4 and 5 and 6 is gonna be on this side here. So that's what's going on. It's pretty cool. I mean, it's just really interesting. The guys are down there working, doing their thing, and yeah, while Ivan, who's the plumbing contractor, is actually doing the dig and doing his thing. So it's really cool. I drove up on them actually setting the piping in, so I missed that part, which I hate the fact that I missed taping that part. But at least you all are seeing just a little something of what they're doing. Okay. I mean, I don't even have none of my filming stuff. So now he's about to close the hole back up now that the pipe is in place. Let me see exactly what he's doing from the front view, but people are still driving up this street, so I had to kind of like move out of the way. So all they're about to do is close the hole back up. But yeah, it's pretty cool.